So what I did find out too is one of the things I found out recently within the last little while is that I can actually have potentially the divisional court upload all the documents I submitted through email, all of the files and the bundles and whatever, the applications, like my appeal application for the LTB and the extension application, all that stuff. So I will hopefully be able to have them do that for me, which will save me from having to hire a lawyer to do it. Although I've already put in a lot of work, so yeah, I'll be compensated for hours instead anyways, but I don't know. I'm not gonna really get into all that, but good news if you do have a disability, whether it's cognitive, mental health, learning disabilities, they would have to make some type of accommodation there. I believe you could probably even request it even if you aren't considered disabled. And then they will they'll help you, I believe. I know they'll give anybody direction that isn't represented by a lawyer. They'll give you direction on it, on how to upload the documents, but it's somewhat confusing. It doesn't really, it's not like you just place a file folder into the online portal for divisional court and all of it's uploaded. You have to select certain things for the bundles that you're adding. There's different categories for forms and bundles and other things. I could go into it actually, and I guess show it in a video on the portal and how confusing it is. But yeah, if you haven't done it before, which I haven't, it's a pretty confusing process. And the nice part is after they do that, I'll at least have some direction on how it's done and what is selected for the type of bundle you're adding, etc. So yeah, I will leave that there. I'm gonna be quiet now and hope everybody has a good night that deserves one. My night seems to be going well. I feel positive tonight. I don't feel as down, which is good. So hopefully I can keep that positivity in my head. But I don't know. We'll see how long that lasts for. Hope everybody has a good night. Bye.